Hello friends, welcome back to this channel. So today in this video I'm gonna teach you how to change hotspot password on this poco mobile. Before you continue this video, so let's start the video now. First we have to go here from the setting and roll here that portable hotspot and portable hotspot here on and set of portable hotspot. Here you should write password here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. This password and take here to is password. So if you like the video, please subscribe the channel, like the video, and do not forget to click the bell icon. And thanks for watching this video.